Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with the green series and this is look number 2. I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful green look. To start off, I'm going in under the brow bone with the eyeshadow Poof. This is from the Jaclyn Hill Vogue collection. You can take any nude or light color matte shade and put that under your brow bone. Next, I'm going to go in with Forest from the Carnival Love Tahiti palette. I'm taking a small angled brush. I'm going to just start stamping the shape of a curvy angled liner. So curvy on the inner half and then angled towards the outer corner. Now that I have my main shape down, I'm going to go in with my next eyeshadow, Bamboo, from the same Carnival Love Tahiti palette. And I'm going to start blending that over the Forest eyeshadow. With a clean eyeshadow brush, just blend out the edges a little more. And then we're going to start adding the eyeshadow clay. So this can diffuse the edges a little bit higher and it makes a nice green blend. Now that we have our base colors down, we're going to go back in with the same eyeshadows and repeat the steps. So Forest first, then Bamboo, then Clay. This is going to help to intensify and make the eyeshadow darker. Then with the clean fluffy brush, go ahead and blend out that edge towards your eyebrow. We're going to repeat the same process on the other eye and then continue to cut our crease. Before we put any products on our crease, we're going to clean off the excess. If you've never tried the Vaseline method, definitely try it and let me know how you like it. I saw this off the P. Louise Instagram page. You just put the Vaseline on and then wipe it off with a Q-tip or with a towel and it just cleans away any excess product. I honestly love it so much and I think it works very well. Then I'm going in with my trusty NYX glitter primer. If you're new to my channel, you'll come to find that this is my favorite type of way to apply any shimmers or glitters on my eyelid, even if it's just a regular shimmer eyeshadow, because I feel it makes the color pop and the shimmer last all day. For my lid, I'm going to be using two different eyeshadows. This one is a shimmer from the BH Cosmetics palette, the Aurora Baked Eyeshadow palette. I'm going to put this closer to the lash line and then follow the shape on the outer corner. Don't worry if it gets a little messy, as I'm going to go in and clean that up. And then to intensify that pop of green, I'm going in and I'm super excited to use this Kaima Cosmetics Diamond Duochrome. It's my very first time trying this Diamond Duochrome. I did get it's a bundle of 4, and I honestly can't wait to use the other 3, because if they're as gorgeous as this, I'm gonna love them, I already know. But once I keep using them, I will let you guys see the tutorials. This is basically a greeny goldy type of shimmer, but it has a slight pink shift to it. I think they're super affordable, super stunning, and you guys should go check them out. As I say with most of my shimmers or duochrome pigments, the camera can never pick it up, and do it justice. But I will try to do swatches in natural light and also with flash and regular light, so you can see the different tones and shifts to it. But honestly, these are so fun to wear on the eyes. Even if you're not doing just dramatic cut crease, it's a nice lid color. It's so pretty, just look at it. For the bottom lash line, I'm going to go back in with Forest and define the bottom lash line. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of bamboo to blend that out, and just a touch of clay, not too much. I did add a little bit of vanilla from the Carnival of Tahiti, because it does have the icy greenish bluish finish. But now for the eyeliner, I was torn on which one to do. I wanted to keep it monochromatic, but I knew that would not really give a brighter pop to the eye if I used the green. It would keep it more on the dark side, so I decided to go with the yellow NYX eyeliner, and I am happy with my choice. This is more of a pastel-y yellow color. It's not too bright, but I think it did go well with the look. Okay, here there's something important I wanted to comment on. How do beauty gurus, YouTubers, how do y'all get the perfect camera setup to film the, perfect angles? Because I feel like when I'm doing these kind of detailed or graphic liners, I can never get the perfect angle for my lens. and it ends up looking crazy like this, so apologies if it's not the best angle. But I mean, on my channel I want to focus mainly on tutorials, and I have got to practice more angles. I promise I try to find, I guess, the best way to show what I'm doing, but it's not always easy. I guess if you know, you know. But anyway, moving on to the bottom lash line, the waterline, I'm gonna deepen that up with the Urban Decay green glittery eyeliner. I love how much depth and shine it gave my bottom lash line, and honestly want to use this eyeliner forever and ever. To clean up my shape a little bit, I always have to go in with some concealer and an angle brush. Go ahead and define that outer corner for your graphic liner and clean up that bottom shadow. And then with the fluffier brush, diffuse that concealer out so there's no harsh line. To finish off the eyes, I'm so excited. I get to use my very first PR package. So after almost 1 year of being more consistent and posting on Instagram and YouTube, I'm finally received my first PR package, and it's from My Lash Co. A beautiful friend Myra sent them over to me, and I am so excited to try these out. Just from wearing them today and from the pictures I took, I love the way they complemented my eyeshadow shape, my eye shape, and they made my eyes look. So I definitely am going to keep trying them out and letting you guys know which ones are my favorite styles. And I appreciate my lash co so much. Thank you for sending these over. This is the finished result. I loved how it turned out. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.